Do you want to generate your own music using your lyrics, but you don't have any music studio or other things? Then don't worry, because now Gemini Lyria 3 Pro is with you. Google's music generation model Lyria 3 Pro can generate amazing various type of music for you. Now you can generate music up to 3 minutes if you are a subscriber of Google AI plan or you are a user of Gemini free tier, then this video is for you. In this video I will tell you how to generate one music song by typing prompt. Let's go on mobile screen. Open Gemini app. Then click on create music option and model should be pro. You can pick any track to remix in your song, or you can just simply type your prompt or lyrics for new song. So here I have already song lyrics, so I will copy paste here. These lyrics are written by me. So here you can see the language of this song is Hindi, but this time I will use these English line for new song. So I am copying whole line. Now I am typing prompt for music generation, so Gemini can make music according to my lyrics and my request. Music quality depends on our prompt. If we will make our prompt more detailed and better, then Gemini Lyria 3 Pro will generate amazing music. Here you can see I have described what type of music should be added in my song. So now I am pasting lyrics of our song. After typing your prompt for music, just click on submit icon. Now wait for some time. Gemini will generate amazing music using Lyria 3 Pro model. Here you can see our song is ready. I want to download this song, so I am clicking on this download icon. Here are two options. We can choose anything. So I have selected first, that is track with album art. You can download only MP3 file by clicking on second option. Our audio is also downloaded. Here you can see this is MP3 file and it is downloaded. Now I am gonna to play the song generated by Gemini Lyria 3 Pro.
In the quest for life, who knows where we got lost? While talking to them, we drifted off to sleep. In the ceaseless search for a better life, we ended up losing some cherished memories. In the quest for life, who knows where we got lost? Sometimes memories of that childhood return, a time when the heart remained joyful at every moment. Sometime later, as we grew up, different thoughts began to occupy our minds. My friends, life is different now, my friends. It passes by, sometimes sitting, sometimes standing. One must establish strict rules so that one may remain steadfast in adhering to them. If this life, much like a tree, receives the right nourishment, then its roots grow strong and deep.